Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is griddled parsnips with honey and mustard. This is a wonderful way of cooking parsnips. The flesh is sweet, soft and creamy with a hint of honey and mustard. And the trip to the griddle pan gives a lovely appearance and a slightly smoky flavour. The only way I could imagine these parsnips being any better is if they were served to me by the beautiful actress Jenny Agutter, wearing a costume from Logan's Run. Just wondering, who would you have serving your parsnips? But let's get on with the cooking. Okay, to make this recipe, the first thing we do is prep the parsnips. Simply top and tail them, peel them and cut each one into 4 pieces.
What about me? You haven't asked me.
Okay, who would you have serving your parsnips?
Oh, Dave Grohl. He's lovely, he is.
There's a surprise. The next thing we do is remove the fibrous centre of the parsnips, as you can see here. When this is done, it's off to the steamer. Cook the parsnips for about 10 minutes or until just speared easily with a knife. You don't want to overcook these parsnips or they'll fall apart on the griddle. And when the parsnips are ready, it's time to make the honey and mustard sauce. Simply put a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of mustard, salt and pepper to taste, juice of half a lemon and a squirt of oil in a bowl and mix together. And add the parsnips to the bowl and turn through the mixture until each piece is nicely coated. And then it's off to a well-oiled hot griddle pan. Then continue to cook, turning occasionally till each piece of parsnip has a nice set of griddle lines. Then you're ready to serve. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime, it really is tasty. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. Just wondering, who would you have serving your parsnips?